Hi there, welcome back. Thank you for being here. My name is James Dan from Anthem, and I did in the previous video promise you something special, and I'm going to deliver that to you today. So let me share my screen, and I'd like to announce the Essential Morning Routine Kit. Now, before we do that, here's what we know. We know that morning routines improve our days and our lives. I've explained that in the previous videos. If you haven't watched those, you can always go back after this video and watch those. But we know that there's lots of benefits to be had from conducting morning routines every day. What's the problem? Most people don't have that specific beneficial morning routine. They have a morning routine, but it's not one that is specifically designed to enhance their day, their morning, their day, and their life. Lots of people don't know what to do. They get confused, or they can't stay committed. Maybe they decide to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning one day, and then that's enough of that. They don't stay committed. Well, of course, you don't have to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. That's the beauty of it. A lot of people get easily distracted as well, distracted by the people around them, the kids, the pets, social media, whatever it is. This is another major problem that stops people from having morning routine success. So here's the solution. This is the Essential Morning Routine Kit. Now, this includes a whole range of educational videos that are really going to explain how to conduct the morning routine, the best ways to do it, loads of tips, tricks, hacks, etc. And also not just educate you, but actually provide you with a range of tools and resources that will actually help you create an effective morning routine. Literally, plug in and play. So if you're a little bit unsure what to do, well, this contains things like guided visualizations, gratitude practices, and a whole range more. So it's literally, it's your morning routine sorted for you. Does that sound good? Here we go. So let's have a little look. Would you like to know what's inside it? This is what you're going to get. So the Essential Morning Routine Kit will increase your commitment and success with performing morning routines. It'll teach you what to do and how to do it. You're going to get better results due to those tools and resources provided. It's also going to save you time, because I'm creating or have created tools and processes that are designed specifically to save you time so that you don't have to worry about having to do that hours-long morning routine. You can, if you want, you can do a 2-hour morning routine if you want. There's enough resources and tools to keep you occupied there. However, you don't have to do that. If you've got a quick 5 minutes or even less, then this will help you create a morning routine that's going to be beneficial in the shortest amount of time possible. So it's going to make it easier for you. Everything is available in one place on an online portal, but you can download all the audios and use them how you want as well. And basically, you are going to maximize your benefits over a lifetime. Think about how it compounds over time. If you are someone that hasn't started a morning routine yet, think about, well, if you'd started it a year ago, what benefits would it have had on your life? Would your results have been different? Possibly. Quite possibly. So this is what you're going to get then. To start with, it's the morning routine essentials. Now, here you're going to learn how to create a successful morning routine. We've got a series of videos, and you're going to have a workbook. So it's not just a case of watching, it's actually a case of filling things out. Now, you don't have to do any of that, because again, like I say, you can just plug in and play. You can just start your morning routine straight away. But if you want to really optimize your morning routine and find out about you, then this is a great place to start, because I'm going to explain to you, going to look at all the different components of a morning routine, going into much more detail than I've been in this video series. So we'll look at all those different aspects. I'll talk about, for example, I've created a tool which is really going to enhance your morning routines. And I break that down into what it does and how it works within this morning routine essentials. You've got information on mindset, so you can look at how your mindset has been holding you back and what stops most people from actually achieving their morning routine success. So there's a ton of information there that's, really the real backbone. You know, if you know this information, really, you're 90% there to creating a great and committing to a great morning routine. Now, also, then it's the success tool. So this is a range of simple to use tools. So things like meditations, visualizations, it's there, it's done for you. You can just listen to it on your phone, on whatever device you want, computer, laptop, tablet, and just, sit back, relax and listen to those things that are going to actually enhance your morning, increase your productivity in the day, and basically get you better results in your life. Does that sound good? Do you want that transformation? Do you want those better results in your life? Also, a whole range of templates as well. So these are things that you can fill out. You can, track your progress. A whole range of tools that's actually designed to make that process easier. And you can use what you want. Don't, get overwhelmed thinking, oh no, I've got to do everything. You don't. You just start off really simply. You can choose one thing and go. Okay, that's the beauty of it. Also, you're going to get my Secrets to Morning Routine Success video series. This gives you some top tips and hacks. So practical hacks. I'll tell you how to save time. I'll give you ways that I found to save time. I'm going to give you, practical hacks of how you can optimize things to really guarantee success and reap the rewards. Also, the commitment builder. If you are someone that's thinking, oh, I just don't know, maybe I've tried it before, I'm not sure, I don't like mornings, I don't know whether I can commit, then this is the package for you, because the commitment builder gives you a range of resources that will help you get started in the first place and actually stick to it. These are the type of things that I used to start with when I created a morning routine, because do you know what? To start with, I was really worried. I didn't feel that I could wake up even 15 minutes earlier. I was really worried about sticking to it. I had a love affair with the snooze button, and I didn't think that I'd be able to do it. So I learned certain tools, certain things that I would actually do, certain processes that I would do, which gave me the commitment, and then it turned into a habit. And that's what I've given to you here. Whole range of things that you can use, stuff for your phone. There's a book, there's things you can fill out, there's things you can stick up, whole range of activities. You use what works for you, but you've got it there to help you ensure that you get really committed. And when I say committed, don't be scared by that. It really becomes fun. It becomes something you really enjoy doing. It's a habit. It's that I really look forward to my morning routines. And if I don't do a morning routine, then I don't feel good. So that's the great thing about the morning routines. Now, also, we've got a morning routine template pack. So if you just literally want to follow a certain morning routine, you think, right, I've got 20 minutes, I want to follow a certain morning routine, then you can do that. And then, and this sometimes uses the tools that I've provided you as well. So it says, right, do this first, then do this, then do this. There's 28 different weekly templates that range from, check this out, 0 minutes, yes, you did hear that right, 0 minutes through to 60-minute morning routine. And if you want to do longer than that, well, you can just mix and match, but you can mix and match anyway. But even 0 minutes, you think, I've got no minutes, this will guide you through. You can quickly look at this. Oh yeah, do this while I'm brushing my teeth, whatever it is. It's all there. It's all easily accessible, and you can just literally follow those templates. So if you're worried about getting started, again, this is a great resource for you. Does that sound good? Does this sound like this could be a program, a package that really could benefit your life? I'm really excited about this, as you can tell. So let's have a look at what you're going to get. So we've got the morning routine essentials. This has got a £97 value. Now, I will say, I've got a special offer for you. So if you're thinking, oh, well, that's too much, a special offer for you. In actual fact, it's worth much more than that over a lifetime. But yeah, we've got that for 97 value. Morning routine success tools at 77. Secrets to Morning Routine Success, that's valued at £37. The Morning Routine Commitment Builder, £37. I tried to be on the lower side here as well, because potentially these are actually life-saving in a way. So, could be valued a lot higher, but I've been quite reserved with this. The Morning Routine Planner Template Pack, £17 value. That's a total value of £265 so far. However, I wanted to add on a little bit more as well. So there's also also a special bonus pack. So bonus number 1 is morning yoga routine. This is by a friend of mine who's involved in one of my mastermind groups, Kenneth Mortensen, and he's a yoga instructor, and he's created a nice simple video that guides you through some simple yoga moves which are amazing to do in the morning. Also, number 2, breakfast, what you need to know. This is a video by my good friend Neil Da Silva, who's a nutritionist. He knows, all there is to know about nutrition, and specializes in preventing diabetes. So this would be really interesting, that you learning, what is good to consume at breakfast time, or whether you even need breakfast as well. So you're going to get some great information from that. And again, breakfast can be part of our morning routine, of course. Bonus number 3 is a morning stretching routine. So this is by my friend who's a dance instructor, Leah Portnick, and she does amazing things in various ways, guiding people through dances. She does chair dances, whole range of things, but she's created a specific morning stretching routine, which again is really important. If you're feeling like you need a bit of a stretch in the mornings, this is certainly going to help with that and set you up for the day. And you can always combine some of the other activities, some of the other tools that I've got with that stretching routine. So as you're actually doing the stretching, obviously you can be listening to other things like visualizations or gratitude practices, etc. So this is again how you save time. So all of those things are added into it. So we've got the morning routine essentials, we've got the morning routine success tools, secrets to morning routine success, the morning routine commitment builder, morning routine planner template pack, and the special bonus pack as well. And that's valued at £57, the bonus pack. So that actually takes us up to a total value of £322. However, I'm going to do something special. Now, would that be worth it if this enhanced your life? If this made improvements to every single morning for the rest of your life, would that be worth it? Would it be worth it if it improved every day for the rest of your life? Would that be worth it if it actually improved your life and got you the results you want? Happier relationships, financial success, business success, a better mindset, etc. Would it be worth it to you? Well, I think it would be, 10 times over. And in actual fact, that's what this package is worth, to be honest. But I'm going to do something special today. So you're not going to be paying £322 today. This is today's special price for you. £37. That's it. Okay, so yours today for £37. Does that sound good? So this is why you should get this now. You start getting instant results. So you start benefiting from tomorrow if you're doing your morning routine tomorrow. Your benefits will compound over time. So again, don't delay it. Don't put it off. Don't start in a year. Start now, and that will compound. Don't forget you've got the special price. So this price could go up at any time. You've got the special price, you've got the special bonuses as well. And I decided to do this because I wanted everyone to benefit from this. Morning routines have really helped me, and I wanted you to experience the same thing as well. Also, I know how easy it is to put other things in front of our morning routine, things like the kids, etc. And been there, done that myself. So again, I wanted to create some tools whereby you could still have those challenges, if you like, still have those other commitments that you need to do in your life, but still you are able to conduct this morning routine. That's why I've created it. And finally, this is a new product. So, I wanted to give this to you, get some feedback so that, in the future, it helps me with other products. And that's why, again, I've made this such a low price. So the usual price may increase at any time. It's likely to go up. So this is what you need to do now. Go to this address, tiny.cc /morning_routine_special. That's where you need to go. Click on the button. It might direct you specifically there, and all you have to do then is fill out your details. But if not, click on the button, enter your details, and you can make secure payment. Okay, it's all secure there. So go to tiny.cc/morning_routine special. Now, right now, you've got two choices, okay? Right now, you can choose just to carry on as you are, in which case you'll always get what you've always got already, or you can actually choose to give this a go and explore how these tools could actually enhance your life for £37. Now, also, I'm going to give you a 30-day refund as well. So if you try it and you really don't think that you benefit, then just let me know and I'll happily give you your money back, and you can keep all the resources as well. Does that sound fair? Good. Okay, so this is all you need to do. Go to that web address there, tiny.cc/morning_routine_special. It's all there. You'll be able to get instant access to it. It's all there in an online portal, and it's yours today for just £37. That's obviously at the time of me creating this video, and it will go up. And you might also see it on the Anthem website for a higher price. This is because this is obviously the special price that I'm giving to you today. So if you've got any questions, you can reach out to me. My email is info@inneranthem.com. My name's James. My email is info@inneranthem.com. But what I would say is you've got the money back guarantee anyway. Go to that website, grab it now, get hold of that special deal, and then start enjoying and reaping the benefits. My name is James Dan from Inner Anthem. Have an amazing morning routine tomorrow and for the rest of your life. And I look forward to serving you again in the future.